Welcome to the Sports Center. My name is Tom. Let's look at the FAQs tool, how you can manage these from your admin site, and a few different ways to display them on your family website, whether you're logged in or whether you're on the public. So I'm on my admin site right now, and I go to Tools and FAQs. That's how I find this tool, and you can see I have no FAQs created. So to create my first FAQ, I'd click on this plus FAQ button. I'm going to leave these top two items blank. I'll show you what those are for. So maybe we'll have just some basic questions. So there's one question, and I'll create a second one here. So there you go. There I've created two FAQs. Very simple. I can use the sort icon to sort these around, but I also see that section is blank and public is set to no by default. So if I come over here to my family site and I'm logged in as a family, I have the FAQs on my navigation. I click on this link. It'll show me those two FAQs that I created. I can get to this exact same page by clicking on this FAQ icon up here. Takes me to the exact same spot. So that is the very basic features of the FAQ. And if I want to get a little more advanced, I can come over here to my admin site. And let's say I want the public to see some of these items. So I'm going to go back to my family website. I'm going to log out. Now if I click on the FAQ icon, I can see there's no FAQs found. So I want at least one of these available to FAQ. Maybe it's this one. I would click on it, make it available to the public, scroll down and save it. And now the public see it, and they'll just see that one. Let's say I want the other one available to the public. I would do the same thing, available to the public. I think you get the idea how to do that. We can also create some sections to further subdivide your FAQs. So I'm back on my admin site. I click on this sections link. Maybe I want one for payment. Maybe I want another one for general info. And I like how those are sorted already. So now if I go back to my FAQs, I can assign these to sections. So maybe this one is general info. And this one down here is payment info. Okay, so I've got them assigned to sections, set to public. If I come over here and I refresh, I'll see they're actually showing up now under different sections. Okay, the first one's going to be expanded automatically when I come to this page, but you get the idea. If I come back to my home page, there's one more feature I can show you here, and it is the FAQ widget. So I'm just going to add the FAQ widget to my public home page. You can see how this looks. So if I come to Pages, Homepage Designer, I'm already on the public home page. I'm going to put this at the very top just so you can see what this looks like. Scroll down, click FAQs. Give it whatever name I want. A little setting here I can also show you. If I come into settings, I can actually select the number of FAQs I want displayed, and I can limit it to a particular section. I want both shown, so I won't check one of those. Come back to my website. Again, I'm not logged in. Go to my home page, and I will see the FAQ widget at the very top of the page. So there's some of the basics of how this works. Again, to start creating your FAQs, log in your admin site, go to Tools and FAQs. If you need further assistance, you can go to your admin homepage, click on the Create Ticket button.